At Lapp, we know the right connection is important. With the right connections, we can build fast, reliable networks and concentrate reliable networks to create end-to-end services to help you reach your goal directly. As a leading provider of cable technology, Lapp doesn't compromise. We offer everything from single cables to full connectivity solutions. That also applies to rail technology. We're not just a manufacturer and supplier, but also a full-service partner for wiring, cable connections and accessories for the rail industry. Our portfolio contains over 850 rail technology products, including more than 500 types of cable, with products from our strong brands Skintop, Epic, Sylvan and Fleximark. We give you whatever you need, whenever you need it. How do we do it? We maintain regular stocks of nearly all of our special train cables. Placed end to end, they currently stretch over 1 million meters, enough to climb Mount Everest more than 100 times. For you, that means maximum agility thanks to minimal delivery times, even within 24 hours in Germany. While others are still manufacturing, you can already get going and save money threefold through eliminated warehousing costs, smaller remaining quantities and lower pre-financing. Lapp doesn't have any minimum order quantities, but facilitates exact planning, whether a single replacement part or a bulk order. We deliver to anywhere on Earth. With a global network of over 40 sales companies and more than 100 sales partners, we're wherever you need us, close to you. With more than 60 years of industry experience, we simply know what counts. First-class service, top quality, and a partner who ensures you never miss your connection. Rail technology from Lapp. Connect with excellence.